Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a channel in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. Then, as you can see here, we have a trend. So to add the channel, all you have to do is go to this icon right here, click on it, then click and hold with your mouse and drag your channel like this. Okay, as you can see. Now, let's say, for example, you want to extend these lines. All you have to do is right click, properties, go to parameters, and we have here ray right. So this one will extend it to the right or up. And we have here ray left. So this one will extend it down. Okay. So let's choose, for example, ray left. Click on OK, as you can see. Or you can use the other one, ray right. You can keep them both if you want. And as you can see, it's extended up.